welcome to our brand new listing here in Deltona Lakes. My name is Yvonne Martin Cintron, and we are here in a single family home, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,288 square feet. This property is in a great location, close to parks, restaurants, shopping, Sanford Airport, and I-4. So let's go inside and take a look at the property. So as you come into the house, here we have the living room, dining room combination. It's so open, you can even see the nice Florida room on the back. To the left-hand side, we have 2 of the bedrooms with a Jack and Jill bathroom. So here we are in the nook area, facing the kitchen. The kitchen has been upgraded with granite countertops. It has stainless steel appliances. To the right-hand side here, we also have the master bedroom and master bath. So as we were coming here to the back of the house, you can see this nice, big, open Florida room, which I'm sure that you're going to enjoy year-round. So here we are in the backyard. It's a nice backyard. You have enough room to entertain. Great place to have barbecues, have family over. Great area, very quiet. So I hope that you come and stop by and take a look at the property, and hope that you will fall in love with it. If you have any questions regarding the property, do not hesitate to call us. And thank you again for watching. My name again is Yvonne Martin Cintron. Have a great day.